Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Infinity Glide 100. Now, Infinity is a brand by Harman, as you can see in the top left corner. And on the front side of the packaging, we can see what the product looks like. And they'd like to highlight a few key features, namely that this is a wireless in-ear earphone. It has an emphasis on bass, and you can have hands-free calls using the device. Now, on this side of the packaging, we can see a little QR code that is associated with your warranty process. Besides that, on the other side, we don't see anything except for two specifications being mentioned at the bottom. One being that its frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the other being that the drivers within each earphone is 9 millimeters wide. And on the back side of the packaging, we can again see some additional features being highlighted, that this thing has 7 hours of audio playback. The cable is magnetic, so that would mean the back of the earphones. Then it's rated for IPX5 water resistant. It's got 3 buttons on the remote with a microphone, and it offers a comfortable fit. On the bottom, they've stated that it is compatible with mobile phones, tablets, and PC devices. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So inside the packaging, we have a little user manual and warranty card. You should always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to use your product and what all unique features it has. You also get a little QR code at the back for claiming or rather registering your product for warranty. Then you have additional ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium ones will always come pre-installed on your earphones. Then you have the charging cable. This is a 30 centimeter long charging cable with a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A port on the other. And the last thing in the packaging happens to be the earphones. Now, the Glide 100 is a neckband form factor earphone or pair of earphones, as you can see. And the cabling is flat, so this will reduce tangling, if at all. Then the backside is magnetized, as we read previously on the packaging. And the cavity, or rather the channel or chamber of the sound, is also slightly angled for a better comfort fit, and it'll go into your ears properly. Then you have the two, one is a control pod and one is a weight, just to balance it out. So the one on your left ear is usually the weight, and the one on your right ear is the control pod. And you can see the buttons on top. So you have one for reducing the volume, one for play, pause, answering calls and cutting calls, and the other for increasing the volume. And on the side, you can find a little rubber gasket, which if you remove, you'll find the micro USB port on the inside for charging it. And that's it for the unboxing of the Infinity Glide 100 wireless earphones by Harman. Thank you for watching.